Governor of Bayelsa State, of course, been led in by the Vice Chancellor.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, I just heard from somebody today when I asked what is the meaning of Seriake, and they said the choice. Make a good choice, the choice. So, Mr. Vice Chancellor, you have made a good choice today by picking Seriake himself as the governor by yesterday to come here physically, and by the grace of God, we are seeing flesh and blood. Let's put our hands together for His Excellency. Mr. Vice Chancellor, this is the only governor in that part of the country that is governing a state that is entirely Ijaw, very homogeneous. And when it came to the Palace of His Imperial Majesty today, everything was said that Mr. Vice Chancellor, he has a Yoruba blood because the mother is from Ijebu. Welcome to Obafemi Awolowo University. Let's put our hands together for His Excellency.
Once again, thank you for coming to Obafemi Awolowo University. This university, by any kind of description, is remote. It's not in Lagos or some other places where you can just land at the airport. So it takes people who really love you, to come to Obafemi Awolowo University. So Your Excellency, we are really very, very grateful. And I want to welcome all the people that had come with you. I don't want to, because of our time, I don't want to mention everybody's name. But I want to say, Your Excellency, that you have come with notable people that are known not only in this country but outside this country. And somebody was, when we were referring to His Majesty, that Spiff, I know that in the primary school I used to like the dressing, the naval uniform, and we were always trying to draw, and see what, and your Highness, I want to say that at that time, you see everybody, Your Highness will look more like, the female, kind of, because you look, I won't say a man will be handsome, but you are actually beautiful. So when you look at all the 12 governors at that time, and then you look at this person is unique, somehow, and all the other people that had come with you, and they are very great people, and to be able to pull all of them from their different endeavors to come with you today as a university on behalf of council, we really appreciate that. And I want to say, Your Excellency, that you have apologies from the chairman of our council, Dr. Yemi Ogunbiyi, who is your very, very good friend. In actual fact, he said he was going to truncate his visit overseas to come back because he cannot see how you come to OAU and he will not be here. I said, Chairman, we will try as much as possible to stand in for you, but we know we cannot do it. But we will try. And so he sends his apologies. Your Excellency, we are still going to have the main program, but I want to thank you for your contribution to education in this country. And so it is not by accident, that people today know you generally as the great white shark of Bayelsa State. So, and OAU is great, so we know the meaning of great. And so if the people of Bayelsa State recognize you as great, so they have seen some qualities in you, and I just want to implore you, Your Excellency, to continue, the way you have been doing. And I've also had interactions with my very good friend, who is the Vice Chancellor of the University of Africa, Professor Valentine Aleto. So I want to say, Your Excellency, that he has even told me some of the things that I didn't know when I was talking about, the beautiful strides in Bayelsa State. I come from Ondo State, and I know that we used to pride ourselves as being in the forefront of education, in this country. But today, you have taken Bayelsa State beyond, some of the things that we used to know. And when you now come to, look at the ranking, of states in this country, you have taken Bayelsa State far beyond, what anybody can ever think about. And those states that used to pride themselves as being ahead, so they are now trailing Bayelsa State. So Your Excellency is no mean feat, to be able to do that. So we thank you very much, and we want to encourage you, and we want to say that Obafemi Awolowo University is very ready, Your Excellency, to partner with you in advancing the course of education in Bayelsa State. We have already donated to you some of our products, and they are also assisting.
Oh, yeah.
So we are very grateful that you have accepted them. So Your Excellency, I think one other feature that I think has to continue, as you were coming here, quite a number of people called to say, please, tell His Excellency that we love him, we support him, we appreciate him. And I delivered one of such messages to you while we were there, downstairs. And I said he's been trying to reach you. And we also have here with us the MD of Sterling Bank, Mr. Abubakar Suleiman. So, Mr. Abubakar Suleiman. So, because we were supposed to have some program today, and they said no. If His Excellency is coming, we're ready, to wait and do whatever needed to be done. That in actual fact, His Excellency is our very, very good friend, and so they are here to honor you, Your Excellency. And we thank you, Manager, for also being here. And our brother, I don't want to say comrade, Yinka Odumaki. So thank you for being part of this and every other person on this center. So Your Excellency, I think all that we need to do, is to pray for you. That it's not easy to occupy that office, and it's not easy to relate with quite a number of people, the way you are doing, and be making progress and be endeared to as many people as possible. But God has helped you, to do this, and that God will continue to support you. So you are doing great work in Bayelsa State. You are a pride to this country, and we do hope that quite a number of states in this country will emulate, the good work that you are doing in Bayelsa State. And more importantly, that long after you would have left as governor of Bayelsa State, the good work that you have done will continue to endure. This is your second term, in office, and I pray that greater things, because you started as a member of the House of Rep and then to become governor. So every other thing that you desire, greater than even the office of governorship, so we come your way by the grace of God. The good Lord will continue to be with you. So I want to thank everybody, and I want to appreciate this visit, and I want to say, Your Excellency, that just as we have welcomed you this time around, this Obafemi Awolowo University is your home. So, and that any time, any day, we will be very grateful to have you with us. And whatever you think we can do as a university, we will be ready to do to advance what you are doing in Bayelsa State. Thank you very much. It is traditional here, Your Excellency, that when we have people come to OAU, as you have done, so we want to appreciate you by presenting our souvenir to His Excellency.
Thank you,
Yes.
That after the visitors register, His Excellency will make his response. On his way to the hall, we will have a 5-minute interaction with some kids on the ground or 0 floor before it will finally move to the Oduduwa Hall. the venue of the lecture.
Thank you very much. Let me recognize our host, the Vice Chancellor. Please be seated. Vice Chancellor and members of his team. And then Your Royal Majesties, members of my delegation, gentlemen and ladies of the press. I'm delighted and honored to be here. Let me thank you for this honor. We will meet. We're going down to the Oduduwa Hall where I will make my few remarks, not a lecture, but then to share my perspectives on some of the burning issues in our country today. But let me thank you for the great work you're doing in this university. And I'm delighted and honored to be here. I will say more on these and other issues when we get to the hall. Thank you very much and God bless you all.